Hello everyone and welcome back. If you are new here, I am Rohit, a brand identity designer, and on this channel I share logo design processes, branding insights and creative workflows. Today I will be transforming this hand-drawn sketch into a clean professional logo for a clothing brand called AIDEN Clothing. I will take you through my process and explain some of the decisions that help turn a simple idea into strong brand identity. Every logo begins with an idea, not with software. I always start by sketching because it allows me to explore concept quickly without worrying about precision. At this stage, I am thinking about the personality of the brand. Since Eden is a clothing brand, I wanted the logo to feel modern, confident, and memorable. A logo should represent the brand, not just look attractive. Once I am happy with the concept, I bring the sketch into CorelDRAW. I use it only as a reference and draw and redraw everything manually. Many people ask why I don't use image trace. The reason is simple. Manual vector drawing gives much more cleaner curves and complete control over every shape. It takes longer, but the final result is far more professional. Now that the symbol is taking shape, it is time to think about typography. The font should complement the icon rather than compete with it. Every typeface has its own personality, so choosing the right one is just as important as designing the symbol itself. For the project, I wanted something clean, modern, and confident to match the brand. As you watch the logo come together, you will notice that I am constantly making small adjustments. This is where the most of the work actually happens. Logo design isn't just about drawing shapes, it is about refining them until they feel balanced. Sometimes moving a single anchor point by just a tiny amount can completely change how smooth or polished the logo looks. One thing I have learned over the years is that great logos are usually simple. Simplicity makes the logo easier to recognize, easier to remember, and much more versatile. Whether it's printed on clothing label, website, social media, or billboard, it should remain clear and effective. Another important part of the process is visual balance. The logo doesn't always have to be perfectly symmetrical, but it should feel balanced to the human eye. That is why I keep zooming in and out throughout the design process. Looking at the logo from different sizes helps me spot small issues that might otherwise go unnoticed. Before introducing color, I always test the logo in black. If a logo works well in single color, it usually built on strong foundation. These simple tests help ensure that the design remains effective in every situation, whether it is printed, embroidered, or displayed digitally. Finally, it is time to add color and make last refinements. Color isn't just about aesthetics, it helps communicate personality and creates emotional connections with the audience. Every, ch- every choice should support the brand message rather than simply making the logo look attractive. Before I consider the project finish, I go through one final review. I check the spacing, alignment, proportions, and overall balance. These final adjustments may seem small, but they have often what separates a good logo from professional one. I hope this video give you a better understanding of what goes into transforming a simple idea sketch into professional finalized logo. If you enjoy watching this process, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more logo design, branding and illustrator content. I would also love to know what part of the design process you would like me to cover in future videos. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.